So we're just going to take this sink out. So a little how to of removing the sink. In a sec, I'm just going to undo that. So this is now full of water, like as you can see. How many times have you got that now and tipped that down there, thinking that you're tipping it down the drain, yet you've just removed it? I know I've done it a few times. I'm not today though. So we've removed our waste pipe now, which gives you a little bit more room to work now. So obviously that was right there, right where I wanted to cut the pipes. So I've turned my water off, so that's all nicely off on there. And what I've done is I've opened the taps up to make sure I've got any excess water out, then just leave them open. So I'm going to cut onto this one first, which is the hot. You just got a bit of water that's in the pipes. Take that one out of the way. And what I've got here is a push-on cap. You don't need inserts because it's on copper pipe. So now I'm just going to push that on. Just make sure that's pushed down nice. Because again, that's an easy mistake to make. You think that's on and it's not pushed on all the way. You'll go to turn the water back on and that will just fly off. So that's our hot one done. Now on the cold, I'm going to do it just up here and there. There's a lot going on basically. That's clipped to the wall, which is onto our main, so I don't want to cut it there. That's why I'm going to put it there on this one. That's the cold now disconnected. Move that out of the way. Another cap there. And just that final little push. That's on nicely now. Happy with that. And that's your sink disconnected, ready to remove from your worktop.